Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your math class for grade 4. Last time we did addition of mixed number, and today we are going to start subtraction of mixed number. Okay, come to page number 76. On page number 76 you have subtraction of mixed number. So it is same as you did previous. Question number 1 is complete these. Question 1, part A. You have 6 whole 1 over 2. 6 whole 1 over 2 minus 4 whole 1 over 8. 4 whole 1 over 8. In subtraction, we take fraction. This fraction and this. We will leave the whole numbers. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8. 1 over 8. We shall make same denominator. This is 8 and we also make this one 8. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8. We have to make same denominator. This is 8. We also make this 8. We multiply 2 by 4. It will be 8. And also multiply here 4. 2 4s are 8 and this is already 8. So 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Minus this will be as it is. Now we have same denominator and we can subtract easily. 4 minus 1 will be 3 and this 8 will be as it is. Now this is whole number, this one and this one. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now we will join this one with fraction. 2, 3 over 8. This is fraction and this is whole number. Your answer. Same part B. In part B you have 9 whole 5 over 6. 9 whole 5 over 6 minus 4 whole 1 over 2. 4 whole 1 over 2. Same, we will take the fraction 5 over 6 and this 1 over 2. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2. So we will make this 6. This is already 6. We can make this 2 3 is 6. So 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2. This multiply by 3. This also multiply by 3. 5 over 6 minus 1 3 is 3 over 2 3 is 6. Okay, now we have same denominator, we can subtract easily. And keep in mind that this is greater number and this is smaller number. We can subtract smaller number from greater. This is 5 minus 3 will be 2 and this is 6. And you can simplify this one, 2 and 6 by table of 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1 and this 6 divided by 2 will be 3. This is fraction and whole number, this 9 and 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5. This is whole number and this is fraction. We can write like this one 5 plus 1 over 3. This is same as it is and you can write 5 whole 1 over 3. You can write plus this is same as it is. Okay, I did 2 parts A and B, other 4 parts are your homework. Okay, now we are going to question number 2. Question 2 is part A. In 1/6 that a batsman hit, the ball travelled 70 hole 3/4 meter. In the next, the ball travelled 90 hole 1/5 meter. Mean second hit is greater than first one. How much further did the second ball travel than the first? We also subtract this one. We simply write which one is greater value. Greater value is second one. 90 hole 1/5 meter. Question 2. 90 hole 1/5 meter minus 70 hole 3/4 meter. 70 hole 3/4 meter. The process is same. We take the fraction, this fraction and this fraction. First one is 1/5 minus 3/4. We shall make the same numerator. This is 5 and this is 4. So the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we will make this 20 and this also 20. How we will make 20? 1/5 minus 3/4. Multiply 4, 5 with 20. It will be 25 4s are 20. And this is 4 5s are 20. Mean we multiply with 5 here and also 5 here. So what will be the equation? 1 4s are 4 and 5 4s are 20. This also 3 5s are 15. This is 4 5s are 20. Dear students, here you will see that this is 4 minus 15. This is smaller value. We cannot subtract a greater value from smaller. This is 15 is greater. 4 minus 15 is not possible. So we will take a whole number for this one. Whole number is this. This is whole number and this is also whole number. So we will write this equation same here. 4/20 minus 15/20. First of all, we will make this one greater. How we will make greater? We will take 1 from here. This is 90. We can write 90 mean 89 plus 1. 89 plus 1 means 90. This is 90. And we can write this same as it is. 70. So you must know that this multiply 20 by 20 and plus 4. It will be 24. We can write this one 89. 21s are 20 and plus 4 will be 24 and you can write this in fraction. And it will be as it is same. 75/20. Now we can subtract 24 minus 15 and also you can do 89 minus 7. Whole number subtract with whole number and fraction we will subtract with fraction. So here what will be the answer? 89 minus 70. What will be the answer? 89 minus 70 in rough one. 89 minus 70. 9 minus 0 will be 9. 8 minus 1 will be 19. 19 will be whole number. 89 minus 70. So 19 and 24 minus 15. 24 minus 15 will be 4 minus 5 is not possible. We will take 1 from here, it will be 14. 14 minus 5 will be 9. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Mean 24 minus 15 will be 9 and denominator will be 20. This is your answer. In next question, you will understand easily. Question B, part B of question 2. A bucket contains 12 whole 3 or 5 liter of water, and if Wasif uses 1 whole 3 or 4 liter for his water pistol, how much water is left in the bucket? So we will also write this one in fraction. First of all, we write fraction which one is greater value, 12 whole 3 or 5 liter. 12 whole 3 or 5 liter minus 1 whole 3 over 4 liter. 1 whole 3 over 4 liter. So we will write the fraction 3 over 5 and 3 over 4. First is 3 over 5 minus 3 over 4. Same here is 5, this is 4, mean the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. We will make 20 this and also 20 this. How? 3 over 5 minus 3 over 4. Make 20, 4 multiply here and 4 also here. Multiply 5 and multiply 5. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Same minus 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Here you consider this 12 minus 15 is not possible. So we will take one whole number from here. How? 11 plus 1 means 12 and this is 12 over 20 minus whole number from here 1. This will be as it is 15 over 20. Now we subtract whole number with whole number. Sorry, this will be 20 comes at 20 and plus 12 will be 32. Mean this multiply with this and the answer will be added with this number. Whole number as it is 20 ones are 20 plus 12 will be 32 over 20 minus this will be as it is 1 15 over 20. Now we can subtract easily whole number from whole number. 11 minus 1 will be 10. 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15 will be 17. How? 32 minus 15 will be 2 minus 5 not possible. We will take carry from here. It will be 2. It will be 12. 12 minus 5 will be 7. 2 minus 1 will be 1. This is 17. Means 17 over 20. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Next, question number 3. Complete these carefully, and you will do question 3 like this one. Okay. Question 3, same as you did question number 2. Question 3, part A. 2 1 whole over 4 minus 1 whole 2 over 3. Okay. 2 whole 1 over 4 minus 1 whole 2 over 3. Again we have to take the fraction. This is 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3. We'll make this is 4, this is 3. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we'll make 12. 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12, and also multiply 3 here. 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12, also multiply 4 here. So 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12, minus 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12. Here you consider this is smaller. 3 minus 8 is not possible, so we will make this greater. Again, as previous, we will take this whole number. Whole number mean this is 2. We can write 1 plus 1 mean 2, and fraction of this one 3 over 12 minus this whole number is 1, and this 8 over 12. So we will write this whole 12 ones are 12 and plus 3 15. 15 over 12, and it will be as it is, minus 1 8 over 12. We will subtract whole number with whole number. 1 minus 1 will be 0, mean 0 will be whole number. Another 15 minus 8 will be 7, and this is, we will not write any number because 1 minus 1 is 0, whole number is 0, and this is our answer. Okay, dear students, part B. Part B is 4 whole 1 over 10. 4 whole 1 over 10 minus 2 whole 1 over 5. Again, we will take the fraction 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5. This is 10. We will make this also 10. 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5 multiply 2, it will be 10, also multiply 2 here. 1 over 10 minus 1 2 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Again, this one is smaller than 2, so we will take 1 from here, this whole number. So it will be 3 plus 1, 4, and this fraction 3 plus 1, and this fraction 1 over 10 minus this is whole number 2, and this will be as it is 2 over 10. So 10 ones are 10 and 1 11. 3 whole number 3, 10 ones are 10, and plus 1 11 over 10 minus this will be as it is 2 over 10. We can subtract easily. 3 minus 2 will be 3 minus 2 will be 1. 11 minus 2 will be 9, and this is denominator and answer. These are very easy questions if you understand. If you not understand, it will be difficult for you. Next part C is 5 whole 2 over 5. 5 whole 2 over 5 minus 1 whole 7 over 10. 1 whole 7 over 10. The process is same. You will take the fraction 2 over 5 minus 7 over 10. We'll make this 5 10. How will make this? 2 over 5 minus 7 over 10. Multiply this with 2. This also 2. 2 to the 4 over 10 minus 7 over 10. Again you can see that this is smaller. So we will make the real number and then we will subtract. Whole number of this fraction is 5. We can write 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 and this fraction 4 over 10 minus this whole mean 1 7 over 10. Okay. Again when you multiply this with 10 1 to 10 and plus 1 14 and this is whole number 14 over 10 minus 1 7 over 10. Subtract whole number with whole number. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 14 minus 7 will be 7. And this is the answer. Dear students, you need a lot of practice. Therefore, I did 3 parts A, B, C. Another parts D, E, F, G, H, I and J. You will do practice, and if you have problem, you can ask your teacher. Now you have to write your homework. Homework will be, dear students, this is your homework. Question 1, part C, D, E and F. And in question 3, I did 3 parts A, B, C. And other remaining parts D to J. Mean D, E, F, G, H, I and J. These are your homework. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.